my YouTube channel. Today's video is my Amazon favourite buys. So all the stuff that I've bought from Amazon, I just wanted to show you guys because I absolutely love them. There is a couple of purchases that Nathan bought, but I still wanted to include it in this video. So everything throughout this video will be listed in the description box below for you guys as well, just in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of these. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. There is a couple of things that I'm going to show you at the end of the video because they are not here right now because I have to go over by my wardrobe to show you. That's just a big hint, a wardrobe. Anyway, but there is a few things here that I just wanted to quickly show you. So the first thing is of what Nathan bought. So I was using these kind of like cheap earphones just for editing, so I can use them so when Nathan's playing his game I can pop the earphones on while I'm editing so I ain't getting frustrated and I'm trying to concentrate. And then Nathan bought some earphones for himself. I tried them out and they are absolutely beautiful and perfect, so he bought me one in my own favourite colour. And he bought this stand as well. They don't actually come with it. He bought the stand to go with it. So these earphones are noise cancellation earphones. They are so amazing. Literally, they can be for like listening to music, if you're watching a film or anything else. They are so lovely. They're so beautiful as well. Obviously, they do fold up as well. They come with a beautiful case as well. They come with their own lead so you can charge it up. They are wireless, so you just connect it by Bluetooth. They are so beautiful and comfortable, and any noises in the background, it cuts it out so you cannot hear nothing at all. So if your partner is playing loud music or they're playing a game and they're one of these people that gets very frustrated and you're trying to concentrate on admin work or just trying to edit a video or anything like that, pop these on and they are beautiful. I will ask my other half for the link for them so I can link them down below for you guys. They come in different colours. They come in pink, black, and I think he said grey, I think, blue, I'm not too sure, but I will list them down below for you guys. I am absolutely obsessed with these. I use these all the time when I'm listening to music, when I want a little bit of me time, or when I'm editing and I've got to concentrate. You know, they are really perfect because they cancel any noise in the background. Then he just bought a beautiful stand to go with it. It's not that great, but he just bought a stand for my headphones to go on. Next product that I bought from Amazon that I'm really loving, as you can tell, because it is literally down to the bottom. It is this Sanctuary Luxury Bath Float Bubble Bath. I am absolutely obsessed with this. I love it so much. I have it especially when I'm having a nice relaxing bath. I pop a bath bomb I pop a bath bomb in and I pop a few drops of this in. This is the Sanctuary Luxury Spa Bath Float Bubble Bath. I'm literally obsessed, as you can tell, because I'm almost out. I need to grab my hands on another one, but I absolutely love this. I think the first one I bought was from Boots, so yeah, I got another one from Amazon and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Then the next one is this. So this is a recent purchase actually. This is a Biore or however you pronounce it. Free from pores, blue grave and baking soda, anti-blemish cleansing foam. I absolutely love this. I use this every morning and every night. I cannot speak today. I put a couple of pumps on my hands, rub my hands together, put it all over my face, and then I go over my face with my Lunat Mini just to massage it all into my skin, and then I wash it off with a cloth. So I'm going to bring that closer to the camera so you guys can see. There we go, so you guys can see it a little bit better. Then these three are the very new purchase that I recently bought. Now, I absolutely love face masks, whether they are sheet masks or whether they are just normal face masks. I saw this one on Amazon and I thought, oh my god, not only is it in my favourite colour, but I need to get it. So this is the Revolution Pink Clay Mask Detoxifying Mask. It actually smells incredible, and I cannot wait to give this a go. Oh my god, it smells insane. It literally smells insane. Like, I absolutely love it. So this is a brand new purchase. You guys probably won't see because the ring light's right in the middle of it. This is a brand new purchase and I absolutely love it. I will leave the link down below for you guys anyway, just in case you cannot see it properly on camera and you want to see it on picture. But this is a brand new purchase and I cannot wait to try this out. Now this next one, again, it's a face mask, but I bought my very first Body Shop face mask when we was in Butlins and we went shopping. I think I went into actually a Body Shop, if that kind of makes sense, and I bought my very first face mask and I'm literally obsessed with them. Now my first one was the charcoal, Himalayan charcoal, that's the one. This is my second Body Shop one. So I got this from Amazon. Again, I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. This is the Mediterranean almond milk with oats instant cooling mask. Now this is beautiful. I've heard so many people rave about this. I love Body Shop anyway. I love all their products. Oh my god, that smells so nice. Oh, I love the smell of almond milk. I really do. I really do. I love it. Oh god, I don't know which one to use now. But this Body Shop one, apparently I've heard so much good things about it and I absolutely cannot wait to try this out. I know one person who loves a Body Shop face mask, which is Gemma Louise Miles. She absolutely loves them as well. So yeah. Talking about Gemma Louise Miles, I was watching one of her videos the other day and she was using the Nip and Fab face mask. Now, I thought I wanted to try it out, so I purchased one myself. This is the Nip and Fab Purifying, now I cannot say this word for a love or money, Salicylic Fix Clay Mask. Now, when I was watching Gemma Louise Miles' video, she was using this and she said she absolutely loves this one. Oh my god, I can see why, because it absolutely smells incredible. Oh my god, I don't know which one to use now. I've got so many new face masks, I don't know which ones to use. I think I might use this one tonight because Gemma Louise Miles loves it so much. A load of other people love it as well, so I'm going to give this one a go. This next purchase, I'm always buying hair dyes at home. I do go to the professionals, but to get the colour that I want for my hair, I have to strip it completely, which I have to go about 3 or 4 times just to strip it back. And then go back for the dye, then go back again, and then go back again. So it'll be a very long process to have my hair done. So I just, do you know what, I'll just buy a hair dye at home and just do it myself. But I've never actually had the right equipment to do it. So now I have. This is the hair dye equipment. So if I quickly open it up, I'll show you what it's got inside. So it's got all the brushes to do the actual hair dyeing bits. I've got like an apron bit so I can actually turn it the other way around so I don't dye my clothes. Then I've got the clips to separate my hair. And these I think are new. Obviously this is the actual bowl to put the dye in, which I cannot wait to use. And I think these must be new because I've never seen these before. So these cover your ears so you do not get like any dye on your ears, so they just sit like that. Oh my god, they look so cute. They look wicked. But yeah, I've never actually owned a hair dyeing kit before. So now I have my very own home hair dye kit, which will be very exciting. I have got 2 red hair dye boxes, which is coming either Sunday or Monday. I'm hoping it comes Sunday so I can dye my hair. Last home bits to show you, or Amazon bits to show you, is actually this wardrobe. If I step back a bit, see the actual wardrobe frame, we actually bought that from Amazon. It is a pain in the back rear end to put up, But when we first moved in here, I had just had like a rail going there to fill up my clothes, and the rail was bending. So I thought, you know what, we need a proper wardrobe. We didn't want to build one up and then say, for example, about a year later we find a place and then we've got to take it all down, we've got to move it. So we thought it would be easier if we had something like this. So the actual frame is from Amazon. I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. We absolutely love it. It's so sturdy as well. It is very, very time consuming building it up. You have to build it up with 2 people because otherwise it won't work. Then these boxes here, which I will show you, these boxes, again, I got these from Amazon as well. We have clothes and stuff in them. So got all Nathan's stuff along here. Got Nathan's shoes in that one, got hangers and that lot in that one, got my bag there, and then got I've got shoes in that one, got other bits in that one. That one's just bits and bobs. That one's clothes, that one's sprays, and then that one's my work one. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. It's so sturdy. So all these grey boxes, they were from Amazon as well. It just makes it look a bit more tidy and a bit more organised as well. Also, see these hangers that's hanging outside that box? I actually got them from Amazon as well. So they are the grey velvet hangers. They are absolutely beautiful and I love them. I think they come in a pack of 20, I think. I bought so many of them because I knew I was going to need loads of them. And then this one here, which I'll just show you on here. These clips don't actually come with it. So if I just take this off, just to show you guys. But you can actually buy these separate, these clips. Again, I will leave them in the description box below for you guys. But you get a load of these clips. They're grey velvet. And then you can just clip them on to the hangers. If you have any trousers or any shorts or anything that could be hung up, these clips are very, very handy as well. I absolutely love them. Everything here that I have shown you throughout this video will be listed in the description box below for you as well. Guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. Everything throughout this video will be listed in the description box below. How many times have I said that throughout this video? I don't know. But I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.